sure? I mean, I'm not. Are we?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
And a very warm welcome to Misfit.
Okay, so today we are just having a small show here, and I hope you guys enjoy. But before that, please, I request all of you to just switch off your cell phones, or please put it on mute. I'm sorry,
Silent.
what am I saying? Silent, yeah.
Yes. We'll take a moment. Yeah, sure. Yeah, we are waiting.
Guys, I think everyone has a phone. Please.
Your phone?
Yeah, my phone. Yeah, it is. Okay.
My phone.
Okay, thank you guys.
Thank you. And one more instruction that we have, please do not take any photographs or do not videograph the play, because we have our official videographers and photographers here. And
Yeah, Richa, we'll just get back to all of that and we'll just start this process. Yeah?
Yes, thank you, sir.
Okay.
Yeah,
Can you
yes,
just,
yes.
pull on the curtains, please.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. What is happening, guys?
Still setting up.
Guys, please.
तुझसे नाराज नहीं, जिंदगी हैरान हूँ मैं, ओ हैरान हूँ मैं।
Nice day.
It might be. You can never be sure.
I mean the weather. It is comfortable, right?
It seems to be, but how do you think it really is?
I try not to think about it.
Natasha, लड़की से पूछना, करेंगे start rehearsal?
हाँ। Venki sir, can we start the performance?
Yes, I've been waiting. I don't know for how long. Can we start, please?
Okay.
Kariya, can you just pull down the curtains, please?
Right?
Hi. Nice day.
Might be.
Might be.
You can never be sure.
I mean, the weather seems comfortable.
I mean, really it is.
I try not to think about it.
How it is here at this place? It seems comfortable sometimes.
Guys, what is happening here, yaar? Just start the process. Abhishek, can you just put the ladder back there, please? Yeah, there.
Sorry, 1 minute now.
Yeah, please set up, start,
Take it
please.
still now, set up. Quickly. Sorry, Lydia, 1 minute.
Just a second.
And what is this clutter here? Newspapers all around. This looking like a garbage trunk here.
Sorry, Venki
Sorry, sir.
What nonsense is this?
Sorry, sir.
Who's starting the first play?
Me and Rishi, sir.
Yeah, please start. Rest of the actors just settle down, please.
Hi.
Hi.
Nice day.
It might be. You can never be sure.
I mean the weather. It seems comfortable.
It seems comfortable sometime. You think it really is?
Sure I do. Don't you?
Stop! What sort of a crash is this, man?
So we can't do the bad day script with the emotions coming.
What nonsense? What did you learn in your L2 here? You're supposed to connect to some real triggers here.
Just
You're supposed to connect to something that is of reality.
So we are not able to link it, sir.
Do you have something of reality?
Yeah,
Yes.
we do.
Yeah. Just sit down, Arvind, please. Just sit down. She just sit down, please. Do you have some real story that you're actually connecting to?
Oh yeah, we do.
Can you just tell me what it is?
Yeah, sure. It was when I was a kid. Me and my brother were walking through a rainy street. The street was flooded, and we were walking with our mother. And he lost his shoes. And our mom just went to get the shoes to help us. And there were a few guys at the shop laughing at her, mocking her. I just wanted to take a hammer to her head. All of them. When she returned, I could see a teardrop in her eye. You know, she was hurt. She was hurt. She was hurt that they laughed at him.
I could still remember. I was very small, maybe 4 or 5. She was holding me in one hand and she was holding the umbrella in the other hand. And she was going in the water to fetch me my chappal. And what were the shopkeepers doing? They were laughing at her, mocking at her. I don't know, I don't remember. The memory is very, very vague. But whenever I remember it, it's enough for me to just get the tears.
Yeah, pretty much.
So bad day is not working for you.
It's not working.
You really don't have the time.
We just need some few seconds to prepare.
Yeah, just take a few seconds. Just get ready. Let's start, please.
Hey! Hey! Where is it? Where is it? Hey! Mandika! Hey! Move aside! Hey, what is your problem? Huh? You want to jump? Jump! You want to end it, right? End it! Huh? It's the same bridge. Yesterday, 5 people committed suicide. Huh? 100 meters deep. If you die, it's definite. Jump!
Even I read the newspaper, okay? I saw only 1 man died, not 5 people.
Are you big news reader? You big news reader. So what is your problem to be here? Huh?
Why should I tell you?
Then just get
You're just a
close.
stranger.
Fight and just get close or jump. Stop wasting my time.
I failed.
Huh?
I failed.
Marriage life or love life?
This.
Report card.
And it's all red.
Ah, then why don't you treat them as colors?
What are you saying?
Yes, it's red. It's a color. Oh, what do you want me to say? Huh? You're too young to understand. Our very life is made up of these colors. And you today you might want to end your life. But what after that? Huh? What after that?
But I worked hard. I worked truly hard.
And work harder. Life doesn't come easy. And it doesn't come with free promises. But rewards your hard work.
You know what? I wanted to become a footballer. But my parents, they'll never understand it.
Did you try? Did you try telling them? Huh? This is our mistake. We jump onto the conclusions. We jump onto the conclusion and presume the decisions. And suicide, so young, you will be lost in the newspapers. All you would be able to hear, is the pain and sorrow of your parents. After they find what you've done.
Just shut up, man. I have decided. I'll made up my mind.
Mind? That's the most messed up place.
But what do you know about my problems? Why are you telling me all this?
Problems? I know everyone has one.
This number. Everybody wants to come first. The parents, the teachers. And if there's anybody left, the neighbors and the relatives.
Relatives. They're the more funniest creatures.
You know what? Times when I'm alone, I feel like I'm invisible. Like nobody really cares that I exist. I feel like I'm alone.
What do you know about being alone? Huh? What do you know about the pain and suffering of never to be heard? Never to be seen? Never to be seen? Never to be seen? Please, Lord. Picture. Hey, boy, come here. My bag. Get that for me. Between the pebbles. Get it for me.
Hey, this is you, right? See?
Yes, and this is my kids. 3 little kids. My wife. And
Where are they?
I lost them.
Lost him? How?
How? Coward. I was a coward. Used to run away from all my problems just like you. I never bothered about my family. Never bothered about my family. And my Sarah, my sweet little Sarah. Oh, Daddy, you're my hero. But I let them die by killing myself. What? Yes.
You were the man who died yesterday.
Yes. I jumped and I left them in despair for the rest of their lives. Left them, the only man they could depend on. But he didn't let me in. He didn't let me in because of the things I've done. I'm stuck. But you're different. There was no one to warn me. You still have time. You still have time to pull back. How can you live without your mother? Your father? Can you live alone? Tell me. Tell me!
No! No!
Go home. Go home. Tomorrow brings a new day.
Thank you.
Very good, but there should be a lot more fear when you realize that he's a ghost. That's one. And Arvind, a lot of places clarity, okay? You need to work on a clarity.
Yeah, sure.
So just go back, just work on that, guys. We don't have the time. Yeah. Who's the next group?
We.
Abhishek, yeah. Just settle on it. Can you just settle, set us stage, please?
Take one. Where is it? You want it, right? It's okay?
Ready?
Quick guys, we don't have the
We don't
whole
have the
day.
whole day, yeah. Just set down.
1 minute, Divya, please, 1 minute.
Right, yeah.
Ready?
Yeah, that apple looks a little precarious. Vidya, can you just pick up this paper on right here in the front? Yeah.
Yeah, this
No,
one?
no,
That.
Before, oh, yeah, please. It's looking very ugly as it is. Yeah, this thanks. Thank you so much. Can you just start? When you're ready. Yeah. Take your time when you're ready.
Oh, Vivek, you already here? We have to start. We don't have time.
Sure.
Did you finish your problem?
I tried, but I was not able to.
How many times, Vivek? How many times I have to tell you? You need to take care of your problems. I will be not there for you forever.
Adre nange gotu ella try ಮಾಡ್ದೆ. I was not able to solve this. I came to you also for help.
You don't blame me for your mistakes, Vivek.
Mistakes? My mistake? I made the mistake?
Yes, you made the mistake. You always make a mistake, Vivek.
Howdu? True. It's me that I make the mistake. I thought only way to solve this problem was to run away from it. But you, what are you trying to do with this knife now?
You are haunting me again, right? You're haunting me again, right? I don't want to see you. I don't want to hear your
Even
voice.
now?
Yes.
Even now?
I don't want to hear your voice.
Even now you don't want to see me?
You're burning me from inside me.
Even now you don't want to talk to me?
You don't. Don't talk to me like that. Get out from this place, Vivek. Go away, Vivek.
Maybe you were right. My parents, neighbors, everyone were right. I made the mistake.
No, Vivek. It was me who made the mistake. I should have helped you when you came to me for the first time.
Yes. I have a cover. Bhaiya, tumbo bhaiya. I was scared to tell the truth to my parents. I thought I needed some help. I came to you for that. But you...
Yes, you came to me, begging to tell your parents that what your condition was. What did I do? I just left you alone. But by the time I realized it was too late.
Yes, it was too late. After that, I had no other option but to tell my parents myself. Nankonde, they will accept me. Even they kicked me out of the house. I had no clue what to do. But still, you were my only hope. I thought you would help me. But you...
Maybe there was a second chance. I could have been there. I could have been there for you. But being your teacher, preaching the world, you should not be different to anybody. You treat everybody as equal. But did I practice? Did I practice what I preached?
All I remember is how everyone treated me. My parents, friends, neighbors, cousins, all those words. Humiliation. I was bullied. For what mistake? Of mine.
Stop it!
Nothing's of my
Stop it!
I just wanted to live happily like everyone else. I thought these people would understand me. I just did not want it to have a mask on my face and fool myself. No one accepted me. I had no other option left but to kill myself. But happiness, for each drop of blood that was dripping off my body, I felt there is no need to worry about this society anymore. I slept.
I don't deserve to be alive, Vivek. I just want to die. I want to kill myself.
No, you cannot. How can you repeat the same mistake that I did? You only taught us, right? That you have to face the situations that you are put into no matter how bad it is. No, you cannot do this. You cannot do this. It was not your mistake. It was my mistake that I killed myself. Maybe it's the another chance that you have to convince every one of these people that there is nothing wrong to be what you really are. There is nothing wrong to be what you really are. Nothing wrong to be a gay.
Nice piece of work, Abhishek, but as I said before, pacing between the words, you need to be very clear about the pacing between the words. You need to bring your pitch down, otherwise things work. You will have to get this out tomorrow, okay? You will have to make a lot of effort. Next group. Which is the next group? Vidya, 1 minute, sorry, just Shabazz, 1 minute. Vidya, what is the real trigger that you actually connected to? 1 minute. The real trigger that you actually connected to. What was that?
Do you mind if I sit down?
Yeah, please. Abhishek, just sit down. Just 1 minute, yeah.
So Bangalore is a new place for me. Just 8 months here. I have my daughter, my husband back in Pune. So, and since the level 2 has started, I haven't seen my daughter for a whole month. So, there's something, every time, I think of her, every time she calls me, Mama, I need help. I say, yeah, beta, I'm coming. I just can't come. You only make it, sir. You should not be absent for any classes because you miss so many sessions and you will not learn. But every time I used to see Abhishek and feel that he's gone away. Sorry, Vicky sir. I'm really sorry.
Abhishek, what is the real point that you connected in this play?
Like what we played now.
Can you be a little louder, Abhishek?
Sure. Like what I played now. There were many places that I was embarrassed and people were laughing at me. One situation was when I was in high school. We had that games period. After that, our PT sir, who was my favorite teacher,
he told everyone to form line and be silent and go to class. I just told my friend that to be silent, that he saw and he thought I was talking. And then he took me out of the queue and he tied me to the tree and he was beating me. He was beating me in front of everyone. And I was crying there and everyone was laughing at me. That was it.
Next group, guys. Next group. Next sum. Which is the next group, by the way? Shabaz and Som, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Shabaz, are you performing Bad Day or are you performing?
No, actually, we are not going to perform with Bad Day. We are not comfortable with it.
The lines are not good for us.
So we have come up with like around 7 improvisations. So we have finally come to a conclusion with this particular script.
Okay. And what is the real points that you're connecting to from your personal experiences? What are the points? So, Shabaz, you want to start?
Can I sit?
Yeah, please.
It's like I love my father a lot, but somewhere deep in my heart, you know, when I went to my village or my city, no one called me by my name. They called me, you are his son. It's like till now also. In my childhood, it's okay. I'm not able to establish myself. Somewhere it hurts. So that trigger I want to use. I hope I can use.
And Shabaz,
I would be using something which has happened very recently with me.
Thank you very much, Shabaz.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
I understand, Lydia, your anger towards me, but
what did you do, Shabaz?
I have been very unpunctual and not indisciplined with respect to whatever I want to do. And our teacher, he took us very leniently from the beginning, but
he took you very leniently or you took him very leniently?
I took him leniently, but he was very lenient with us, with me. Like I can say for all of us, like he was very lenient with me. So I took like. And obviously there is a threshold for everyone, so that threshold point reached for him, and obviously he gave me a firing for that as well. But there was certain thing which he said which like I wouldn't say it hurt me, but it didn't go down well with me. He said like if I was your father, then I would have said no for what you want to do. So that thing, like that was something which really hurt me. That's what I'm trying to use it.
Can you just see what you guys have?
Yeah, sure.
राम मालिक। मालिक हम अंदर आ सकते हैं?
क्या?
हम अंदर आ सकते हैं मालिक?
आओ।
मालिक हमने सुना है कि आपके फैक्ट्री में कुछ नौकरी है, तो हमें कुछ काम मिलेगा मालिक?
काम वाम कुछ नहीं, तुम जाओ।
नहीं मालिक, हम हरिया के बेटे हैं मालिक।
अच्छा, हरिया के बेटे हो?
जी।
घर में सब कैसे?
मालिक सब ठीक है, लेकिन माँ की थोड़ी तबीयत खराब थी, तो उनके इलाज के लिए मालिक आप मदद कर देते थोड़ी तो बहुत बहुत मेहरबानी होती मालिक।
पैसे क्या पेट में उगते हैं?
नहीं मालिक, हम आप काम करने के लिए तैयार हैं। आप बताइए मालिक, हम नौकरी करेंगे। आप हमें बताइए मालिक।
नौकरी वोकरी कुछ नहीं है, तुम जाओ।
मालिक ऐसा मत करिए, हमारे पिताजी आपके पिताजी के साथ बहुत साल तक काम किए थे।
तो
अरे भगवान समान थे आपके पिताजी हमारे लिए।
वही तो प्रॉब्लम है, भगवान समान थे। जिसको देखो राजा साहब राजा साहब राजा साहब। हम कब है? हम है या नहीं है? हम काम नहीं करते, हम ध्यान नहीं रखते लोगों का, हम
ऐसा नहीं करते,
उनसे बेहतर करते हैं, हम से बेहतर करते हैं।
नहीं मालिक, हमारे कहने का वो मतलब नहीं था। आप बुरा मत मानिए, हमें काम दे दिए मालिक, हम जो बोलेंगे आप वो काम करेंगे मालिक।
क्या काम करोगे
मालिक? आप जो बोलेंगे हम करेंगे मालिक। हम आप पिछले महीने मिल में काम किया करते थे, आप बताइए मालिक उस समय।
तो काम करो।
जी मालिक।
स्टूल देख रहे हो?
जी।
लेके आओ।
जी।
साफ कौन करेगा? तुम्हारा बाप?
नहीं मालिक, हम करते हैं।
अच्छा सुनो
जी।
इधर आ।
जी मालिक।
ओ देख रहे हो वहाँ पे?
जी।
कौन है?
अरे मालिक वो तो हमारी छोटी बहन छुटकी है।
अच्छा
जी।
छोटी कहाँ रही है? तुम क्या बता रहे थे तुम?
मालिक नौकरी की जरूरत है मालिक।
नौकरी तो है।
जी मालिक।
एक काम करो,
जी
भेज दो नौकरी तुम्हारी।
क्या बात कर रहे हैं मालिक? हमारी बहन है वो।
तो
हम अपनी बहन को ऐसे कैसे आप?
तुम साले गवार लोगों का प्रॉब्लम ही वही है, जो बोला आता है करते नहीं है। आ जाते हैं मुंह उठा के नौकरी चाहिए बोल के।
अब गवार है तो क्या हुआ, हमारी भी इज्जत होती है। अपनी बहन को ऐसे, कोई आपकी बहन के बारे में ऐसा बोले तो?
क्या बोला तुम? क्या बोला तुम?
आपकी
अबे निकल यहाँ से, निकल।
नहीं चाहिए ऐसी नौकरी।
अबे जा,
रखिए अपने पास।
जिंदा काटने को बोल रहे हैं तुम्हें। भागो यहाँ से। कहाँ से आ जाते हैं? हमारी बहन की बात करेगा, हमारी बहन की बात करेगा।
मालिक
क्या?
कल सुबह काम पे कितने बजे आएगा? Good, vast improvement from what we saw last time, Showman Shabazz. Okay, but still, show a lot of clarity, a lot of work on clarity is required. Okay, and certain places you're not, when you're looking outside the window, you actually, I'm not still believing that you're seeing his sister. So that has to come out very much more clearly. Okay, so next group guys, great job. Next group guys. Who's the next group? Natasha. Yeah.
Sir, can I start from here?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, we are not doing the bad day thing.
Yeah, nobody seems to be. That's fine. Go ahead.
Fine.
Neha? Neha? Where are you? Where are you, Neha? Neha, switch on the light, Neha. Neha, where are you? Again you left me at night. You know I don't like dark, no? Neha, please come back soon. Neha, please. Please come back soon. Neha.
Oh God, again he's sleeping. What happened, huh?
Where you went? Why did you leave me alone and go?
Didn't I tell you I had some work? Listen.
Well, whenever you go out, you take me along with you, no? Why did you take me?
Why are you like this, huh? You better stop and sit here. Come here. अब मैं आ गई हूँ ना?
But don't leave me alone and go. I don't like this dark. Please be with me, though.
Okay, I'll be with you. अच्छा, वो सब छोड़ो. देखो आपके लिए मैं क्या लाई हूँ. आपका फेवरेट जूस. कितनी बार बताया हाँ? ढंग से पीना भी नहीं आता. क्या करूँ मैं तुम्हारा? भैया, आप हमेशा कहते हैं ना कि आपके कोई दोस्त नहीं है. कल हम एक ऐसी जगह जाएंगे जहाँ आपके बहुत सारे दोस्त होंगे.
तुम भी रहोगी ना मेरे साथ?
हाँ हाँ, महीने में एक दिन आऊंगी बोले.
मुझे नहीं जाना है. मम्मी भी ना मुझे स्कूल भेजा था, पर उधर मेरे साथ कोई खेलता भी नहीं है. जब खेलने जाता हूँ मुझे धक्का देके गिरा देते. और जब भी मैं बात करता हूँ ना तो वो मेरा हंसी उड़ाते हैं. मुझे नहीं जाना है. मुझे उन पे बहुत गुस्सा आता है. तुम रहोगी तो मैं जाऊंगा.
पर भैया आपको जाना पड़ेगा. आप हमेशा मेरे साथ नहीं रह सकते.
मुझे नहीं जाना है. अच्छा ना छोड़ोगी?
नहीं जाना आश्रम। पापा भी छोड़ के चले गए थे और मामा भी मर गई। मैं ना तुम जब भी बाहर जाओगी ना मैं शोर नहीं करूँगा, पर मुझे तुम्हारे साथ ही रहना है।
तुम कहीं नहीं जाओगे? मत। आश्रम भी नहीं जाना, मेरे साथ ही रहना। तुम सही कहते हो, पापा छोड़ के चले गए और माँ सारे पैसे तुम्हारे इलाज में खर्च हो गए। और जब माँ बीमार थी तब उनके इलाज के लिए एक भी पैसे नहीं बचे। माँ तुम्हारी वजह से मरी भैया।
नहीं 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 चुप
एकदम चुप। अब सब मेरी बात सुनेंगे ना? हमेशा रोहन मैं तो जैसे थी नहीं, पर अब मैं अपनी जिंदगी जीऊंगी। हाँ, तुम्हें जाना पड़ेगा, तुम्हें आश्रम जाना पड़ेगा। ये सबके लिए अच्छा है, मेरे लिए ठीक है ना मेरा? हाँ? फिर से गिर गए? ढंग से उठना नहीं आता, बैठना नहीं आता, खाना नहीं आता, अब शोर मचाओगे? नहीं ना? हाँ? Are you listening? भैया? 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 Are you listening? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Call, guys.
Hey ma'am, how many times should I tell you cannot throw your props onto the stage? Outside, and you're throwing it at the audience. Is that how you're acting? Please pick it up.
Sorry.
And look at the stage, guys. It's such a mess.
Sorry,
take care of it.
Each one is dirtying it piece by piece here. Apple thrown there, papers thrown here. It's clutter. Anyway, so Hemant, what was the real aspect of this story that you connected to? Yeah, please sit down.
Like just a few days back, I had been to an ashram. There it so happened that they made me meet some mentally handicapped and retarded people. So I could see, once I entered the room where those people were there, they were so happy. They all got up. They were like, somebody's come to meet them or something. Then I saw like, randomly I was just talking to the people. I saw one person was like, he was not able to eat. He was like always dependent. Somebody was feeding him. And one more, I saw one girl, she was always smiling, but she was not able to walk properly. And that way one more I saw who was like always blind. He used to always see up and down and everything. So I just thought, I want to play that character so that I can feel that character. How when you don't have any, when you're mentally handicapped, how you exactly feel that. So I just, for that sake, I did that.
And Natasha, what was your story?
Actually, I just wanted to tell about my dad. I used to not like him. I used to really get irritated with him. But this incident happened just today itself. He was admitted in the hospital. And I wanted to tell him. And I wanted to tell him that I love him. I missed him. But I couldn't. I couldn't. And why were you expecting me to come to the class, huh? Didn't I tell you? Didn't I tell you that I can't concentrate? I wanted to meet him. I wanted to be with him. But you never listened.
Thank you, sir. I think it's becoming too much.
Yeah, are we done with the drama?
Yeah, we
Are we
are.
done? Okay.
Yeah,
No. Are we done with this drama of Natasha, yours?
So what are you blaming Natasha for? You're an actor. You can't give excuses like this.
Just get us some water, please. No, are you done with your drama right now, or is there more?
we are done with it. Can we move to the next segment?
Yeah, please. Let's go to comedy. Let's see what comes up there. Who's starting the comedy, by the way?
Me and Natasha.
Are you ready,
Venki.
Natasha?
Venki, isn't okay? Natasha, are you fine?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You need some time?
No, it's okay. Venki sir, can I start from there?
Yeah, please. Yeah. You need some time, or you are ready, Natasha?
No, I'm ready.
Guys, just set up the stage, please. Whatever is required.
Yes, Venki.
Yeah,
We're doing
please.
it.
Faster, faster, faster. We
Yeah,
don't
yeah,
have time.
We are done.
Just 2 minutes.
Tomorrow is our.
It's a heavy bench, yeah, please.
Done.
Yeah, but this should have been done before, yeah, not right
Sorry,
now.
sorry,
This clutter is completely disturbing.
Venki sir, can I get into the character please?
Yeah, please. I would appreciate that.
Sheila 1, Sheila 2, Sheila 3, Sheila.
Are you ready? Is that your...
Yes.
Yeah, okay, let's go.
Sheila, Sheila की जवानी and too sexy. चला गया? कोई बात नहीं. अरे छोड़ छाड़ के अपने सलीम की गली. हाय सलीम. हाय. चलता है क्या? अरे रुक ना.
Please let me go.
अरे किधर जा रहा है?
भोला भाला लड़का हूँ।
अरे कोई बात नहीं.
जी, please don't touch me, Notsi.
अरे रुक ना.
Oh God, save my soul.
अरे मैं सेव करेगी ना तेरा सोल. सोल्जर, मीठी बातें बोल कर. देख, अभी मैं तेरे को मेरा इंट्रोडक्शन कराती हूँ. मेरा नाम है अंगूर कली, अनारकली की छोटी बहन. क्या यार, आज अपना बिजनेस भी नहीं हो रहा है, कस्टमर लोग भी नहीं आ रहे. तू बन जा ना मेरा कस्टमर.
नहीं अंकुर कली जी, I don't have money.
अरे मेरे राजा, ये तो बता जा, तेरा नाम क्या है? खड़ी हूँ मैं तेरी राहों में, ये तो बता तेरा नाम क्या है? ए चंपा, ठाकुर आया क्या? नहीं आया. एक काम करती है, मैं उसको व्हाट्सएप करती हूँ. अरे पर तो वो व्हाट्सएप पे भी नहीं है. क्या करने का? क्या है?
ये 15 मिनट का 500 ही होता है ना?
क्यों रे?
मैं बस मजाक कर रहा था.
अरे मस्ती मजाक मैं बहुत अच्छा करती हूँ. तेरी, तू मेरे को गिरा? मेरा ड्रेसिंग खराब किया? छोड़ दे, मेरा मेकअप खराब किया? अपना भी इज्जत है, समझा क्या?
Sorry अंकुर कली जी.
हाँ. क्या बोल रहा था तू? 15 मिनट का 500 लेगी मैं. है तेरे पास?
नहीं, मेरे पास नहीं है कुछ भी.
अरे बाबा, क्या करने का भी? देखना रहेगा.
है 500 रुपए मेरे पास.
500 है? अरे ये भी दे. इतने का टैलेंट है मेरे पास. और क्या तेरे बैंक में बता ना. वैसे चिकने, तेरा नाम क्या है? हाँ,
बंटी.
बंटी शर्मा, क्लास 9. तू ये इलाके में क्या कर रहा है रे?
ट्यूशन पढ़ के आ रहा था.
अच्छा, और ये पैसे किधर से आए तेरे पास?
मास्टर जी को देने थे.
मास्टर जी को देने थे. अभी तू ये इलाके में अपन को दिखना नहीं चाहिए, समझा क्या? वो बस दिख रहा है ना, चंपा को नहीं, बस को देखने. और वो बस पे बैठ के घर जाएगा, ठीक है ना? हाँ. क्या हुआ चंपा? पुलिस आ रहा है? पुलिस आ रहा है. बंटी मेरे को टेंशन हो रहा है. मेकअप वेकअप कम कर लेती है मैं, सिंदूर लगाती है. पर मेरे को टेंशन आ रहा है. इधर ही आ रहा है, कुछ तो कर.
अरे गुप्ता अंकल. हाँ, नहीं, मैं तो बस ट्यूशन पढ़ के आ रहा था. ये तो मेरी चिचोरी बहन है, चचेरी बहन है. नहीं, पापा लिफ्ट दे देंगे. हाँ जी, नहीं पापा लिफ्ट दे देंगे. हाँ जी, नमस्ते. ठीक है.
क्या? भेज दिया ना? अभी इधर आने का. और इधर भाई, अगले बार तू अपने कोई इलाके में दिखाई दिया ना तो तेरे को छोड़ेगी नहीं मैं. हाँ. क्या है? ये पैसा लेने का और मास्टर जी को देने का।
हाँ जी।
हाँ, और मैं क्या लिखती है तेरी?
गुडकली दीदी।
हाँ, दीदी जी।
Take a cotton ball, guys. Next group. Who's performing next?
Myself and Som.
I'm taking a bag, huh?
Yeah, please.
Prop says अभी.
हाँ अभी सर हम लोग थोड़ा मतलब it's slightly improve only we're doing.
Give excuse every time. Just give excuse every time. Come late for go on, please.
And do you guys need like a bench or something like that, or is it bar stage, or what do you guys need?
School. Ready?
Yeah, yeah.
Ready?
अरे भैया
ఏందిరా వైపా మరిది ఏంది బే ఏంది రిలాక్స్ రంగా ఇక్కడ కేర్ఫుల్ డేర్ టు బిహేవ్ సారీ మిస్బిహేవ్ విత్ మీ मेरे सपनों की रानी का बुलाएगी तो मेरे सपनों की रानी लिफ्ट आ गया क्या
अरे कॉल आउट ही कर दे टाइम दू हां ठीक है हां हां ठीक है चलो हां जाओ जाओ Fear the God, man.
God, hey, relax, Ranga. Here, relax, Ranga. Have you ever heard?
Who? That film star?
Hey, it's me, Ranga alias. Don't relax, Ranga. Dare to behave. Sorry, misbehave with me, huh? Dare to look, misbehave with me. Sahar, lift dobbindi Sahar, lift stuck Sahar. Sir, do something Sahar. Sahar.
Hey, what are you doing down, man?
Sahar, lift Sahar.
हाँ वो.
Do something Sahar.
Hello.
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 Hello. Yeah, we are two people who stuck in the lift here. Stuck in the lift here. Can you help me? Okay. In a while. Okay.
What Sahar? Wait, Sahar.
Yeah, it will take some time.
No, wait, relax, relax, relax. So down, sir. Let's sit, sir. Down, sir.
What do you do?
Sir, I am a prepaid doll, sir. Sir, you know what is cash in the carry? How was it same, sir? Pay and hurry. Sir, you give money, I do anything, sir. Sir, I have a menu card also, sir. Read, sir. Sir, I am very organized, sir.
K.R. Ranga killing sheet.
Sir, relax Ranga killing sheet, sir.
That is okay. Relax Ranga printing sheet. Old Basti Nicholas Road.
That's where I stay, sir. Sir, my email ID, sir. relaxranga@patabasti.com, sir.
Okay, okay. Appetizers.
Huh, sir?
Lat Gussa.
Sir, this is for college students, sir. 500 1,000 rupees, sir.
What is it? Starters.
Huh, sir?
Hand, leg, neck, body on.
What you don't know, sir? Sir, that here
Don't touch me.
intestine, sir.
Okay.
So this is for film industry people, sir.
Okay.
1 lakh to 2 lakhs, sir.
Is this main course?
Huh, sir?
Kidnap? Murder? Half murder? Full murder?
Full, sir. This is for politicians and big businessmen, sir. 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs, sir. Sir.
Special note. Concession for female, huh?
Huh, sir?
Local taxes extra.
Sir, food and transportation to be added, sir. Sir, I take only original choice with lemon pickle, sir. Sir, you which brand, sir?
I don't drink. Married, yeah?
Married, married. Sir. You have mother-in-law, sir.
Hey, why are you taking her name, man? She's a devil. Sophie Swanda, come. सोनी भी नहीं हुई साथ में यार.
किसके साथ, sir?
तेरे साथ. बीवी के साथ.
Shall I send her to God?
Can do it.
Huh, sir? I can do, sir.
What about the cops?
Cops, sir. Sir, you know this police encounter specialist Bhaya Nayak?
Huh?
He is my close ghost, sir. Sir, me and him every weekend same original choice with that lemon pickle, sir. I and him very close, sir. With love I call him Bhaya, sir. Bhaya.
What?
Bhaya, sir. Sir, please give me the jeans, sir. Please, sir.
Lift.
Lift, okay, sir. Sir, ground floor, sir. Sir, I will give you flat 50% off, sir. Please, sir. I will give you one more.
You are telling you are relaxed, Ranga. You are not at all relaxed. That's why I call you here.
Sir, off season, sir.
This is my card.
Sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Keep it.
Sir.
Come to my office. We'll talk about my mother-in-law.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Sir, lift, okay, sir. Come, sir. Let's go, sir. Sir, but this dealing, sir. Sir. Full police constable, sir.
I know.
Sir, come, sir. Let's go, sir. Deputy Commissioner of Police.
Encounter specialist. Bhaya Nayak.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Hey, arrest him.
So a little more about clarity. That's about it. Next group, guys.
One more.
Get it. Okay.
Where's the partner?
Who is the next group, guys?
Yeah, they are ready. Getting
2 minutes, sir. Just 2 minutes. Slow, coaches. Fast.
Okay, Lydia.
Ready?
Yeah.
जिंके मरीना जिंके जिंके ए क्या है?
खाली ऑटो है, बैठने को बैठी।
ए मैं जाने के लिए नहीं बैठा, चल उधर चुपचाप।
अंडे देने के लिए बैठा है क्या फिर?
ए सुबह ना मेरा दिमाग खराब मत कर, चुपचाप उधर चल।
अरे पैर भारी है, चलने को नहीं होता रे, चल ना।
तो मेरा ऑटो भारी करेगी क्या? चल उधर चल।
अरे तबीयत खराब है भाई, 7वां महीना मेरे को।
तू दिखने में ऐसी है, सच में प्रेग्नेंट है तू।
ये तूने क्या किया? क्या किया ये?
चिल्ला मत, मैं जाता हूं। चिल्ला मत, मैं जाता हूं। साला रास्ते में एक आंटी आई थी, पूरा ऑटो गलीज करके चली गई। किधर जाने का तेरे को? ठीक है। में किधर है?
अरे मिसफिट बाबा।
ये नया, ये कौन सा नया बाबा ये?
अरे नहीं रे, हॉस्पिटल है फिफ्थ ब्लॉक।
अच्छा ठीक है हॉस्पिटल। ये चिल्ला नको, कोई सोचेगा मैं कुछ कर रहा हूँ तेरे साथ। चुप मैं पूछता हूँ, साला रास्ता भी पता है, पूछता हूँ। एक मिनट भाई साहब, ये मिसफिट हॉस्पिटल किधर आता है? मालूम नहीं। हाँ इमरजेंसी है, साथ में लेने जाता है। कहीं को नहीं पूछा तू, कहीं को पूछा? ये चिल्ला मत, रास्ता भी पता नहीं। रुको एक और जन को पूछता हूँ। भाई साहब हिंदी नहीं कन्नड़ निम्गे तो मिसफिट हॉस्पिटल ले बरुत्ते ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ? अरे गोरिल्ला नहीं, उसको पता नहीं है, तो चुप बैठ बात तू। चल
अरे मैं तेरे को कितनी बार बोली, लेफ्ट लेके राइट लेने के बाद उसके बाद में फिर से राइट लेने
ये लूज है, ये लेफ्ट और राइट किधर बता रही है तू?
राइट में बोली ना, पहले जाने का राइट फिर लेफ्ट।
ठीक है अभी चुपचाप बैठ, अभी सिग्नल आ रहा है, एक 200 सेकंड चुपचाप बैठ जा तू।
200 सेकंड? ये इधर ही बच्चा हो जाएगा।
ठीक है मैं हटा दूँ। ए अच्छा खजूर हटा ले तेरे साइकिल को। ए अंकल आंटी को लेके जा जल्दी। ये पैर नीचे रख तू, मेरे को डर लगता है। रास्ता बता मैडम, रास्ता बताना है।
सीधे जाने का, उसके बाद राइट लेने का।
ये मेंटल, वो लेफ्ट है राइट है, बराबर बोल।
तेरे को अभी यही सोचा क्या? क्या कर रहा है?
क्या जाम दिखता नहीं, पहले क्या मुसीबत तू है उसके बाद। मैडम रास्ता बता दे रहे तू।
अरे वो नहीं ना, मैं सीधा जा बॉम्बे टाइम आएगा उधर
डिलीवरी करेगी क्या तू?
अरे नहीं रे, उधर रोक, मेरे को मालूम
हाँ ठीक। इधर ही कर दी क्या? नहीं बच गया चल चल उधर तेरा हॉस्पिटल आ गया।
Oh my God!
साला ये हॉस्पिटल किधर है? ये किधर बुलाए मेरे को? साला तू प्रेग्नेंट नहीं है?
Oh, actually, you know, my car broke down in the morning, and you know what? I wanted to go to the Misfit City on the 5th floor. Can you see that on top? I'm acting like a pregnant woman. Did I do a good job?
Oh, madam, I am also a student only. All this time, no, I was doing that auto driver acting.
Hi, kya? You're a student? Then you might know the lines, no?
I know all the lines. Tell me.
Hi.
Hi.
Nice day.
Oh, it might be. You can now be sure.
I mean the weather.
Guys, what is happening here?
Actually, Venki sir, nice day works for us much better
Yeah,
than
now we are
You
feeling
were
that
just
bad day
like
is better.
5 weeks back here. Now you're coming back and saying that works, this works. Is it work? Which is working, guys?
Guys,
That will work for all of you.
Yeah.
That will really work for all of you.
Yeah.
Can you just please go back and rehearse your lines, please?
Yeah,
We have a
sure.
show tomorrow. Yeah. This is like in shambles. Look at the space. Just go, please learn your lines, please.
Okay.
What is happening here? Are you learning your lines? It's like walking in the park. What are you trying to do?
This is the way to learning, okay?
Says not us to do this.
We can not do everything what you are doing. We will get our own way.
Come on, yeah. This is not the way to learn lines, yeah.
We are trying to learn, but you are not allowing us only.
We cannot remember the lines.
And Natasha, what nonsense was that you are trying to do, huh?
I couldn't remember the lines.
What nonsense is that? Are you trying to learn your lines? You're
Yes.
exactly behaving like your brother, huh?
You don't know anything about my brother, okay? I don't like
Why should I not talk about your brother?
Okay, Venki sir, you can't talk about her like that, okay?
Why cannot I talk about your brother? Huh? You
Richa, where are you, Richa? Richa? Richa, how did you like it, Richa?